Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a trade I took on Volatility 75, how I was able to get the buy entry. Alright, how I made the analysis. Okay, it's a top-down analysis. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys everything in this video. Okay, how I made the analysis from the higher time frame down to the 15-minute time frame where I took the buy entry, the reason why I took the buy entry, and all that. Okay, so if you want to see me do that, make sure you stick to the video till the end. Okay, make sure you do not skip any part of this video because there are a lot of information you don't want to miss. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to just like walk you through the whole process. Okay, so I think that is it. So let's see how I do that. Okay. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are in the daily time frame. This is how I was able to cut that buy entry on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, I saw that price has just broke above the overall trend of the market, which was previously a downtrend. Okay, so yeah, this is what I did. I went down to the 4-hour time frame to see how the market was going. All right, so after getting this view from the 4-hour time frame, I still stepped down to the 1-hour time frame. All right, so here on the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, currently the price is in an uptrend on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so what I did was that I put in some trend line, all right, so that I will be able to get an understanding of what the market is doing here on the 4-hour time frame. So this is how I did it. I put in some trend line. So after marking out this trend line, I saw that price was ranging around this area. All right, so what I did was I marked out the support and resistance zone around this area here so that I will be able to get what the market is doing. Okay, so what I did was that I went down to the 30-minute time frame again so that I will be able to mark out that area very well. Okay, so here on the 30-minute time frame, I marked out the support and resistance zone around that area because I was seeing the resistance around that area pushing price to the downside. Okay, so after putting this, also as you can see here, there is also another support and resistance zone here that need to be marked out also. Okay, so I put that in right here. Okay, so as you can see, after the consolidation, price finally broke to the downside, made a retest around this area, and then pushed down. Okay, so also here again around this area, I knew there was some support and resistance zone around there. So after price broke and retest this area, I screw back and saw that there is a support around that area. Okay, there was a support around that area. You can see there's a support here. You can see how price came here, bounced up here again, found support and bounced up. So I marked that area. That was an area of interest. All right, so what I did was that I put in some support and resistance zone around that area because I knew that price is going to bounce from there to the upside. Okay, so what I did was that I marked that area with some support and resistance zone. So after marking that area, all right, I went down to the 15-minute time frame where I began to look for my entry. Okay, so here on the 15-minute time frame, what I did was that I as of that time, price was around this area. Okay, price was heading down to my level. Okay, so what I did was that I put in some trend line because I want to either catch the buy or the sell entry around that area. So I put in some trend line like this. So my idea was that if price could break above this area to the upside, then I will buy. But if it fails to break and then break below the zone, come back for a retest, then I will sell. Okay, but as of that time when I was taking the entry, it was in the morning, so I went in aggressively using some method. Okay, so what I did was that I took a buy entry aggressively. All right, I took a buy entry. I didn't even wait for it to break above the trend line, so I just took a buy entry, and also I set a buy stop, sorry, a sell stop below this structure here. So the idea was that if it buy, then it's going to buy to the upside. But if it fails to buy, because the reason why I took the buy immediately was that checking from the higher time frame, you can see that the overall trend, like price has changed from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see that from the daily time frame, you can see that price has changed from the downtrend here. All right, so this is kind of a retest. This whole move here is a kind of a retest, so I'm expecting price to still like go up. Okay, so that's why I took the buy without waiting, okay, for my confirmation. That's why I took the buy. All right, then based on the fact that I didn't know what price would do, okay, it might still sell a little bit to this level before bouncing to the upside. So that's why I set my sell stop. All right, so if it fails to buy and trigger the sell stop, then it's going to sell till this zone here. Then on this zone I will still look for buy entry. Okay, so as you can see, that's the reason why I mark this area here. Okay, because I'm expecting a buy from this area also. Okay, so now as you can see, price did not sell. Okay, it didn't even trigger my sell stop. Okay, it broke above the line and then start buying to the upside, just like you have seen in the video, okay, earlier. Okay, so that was how I was able to get the buy entry. Okay, so my initial plan was either way I'm going to make profits today. Okay, because I'm looking for offering money. Today is Sunday, so I need to get that offering money. Okay, that's how I do every Sunday. I must get my offering money. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that if you know what you are doing in the market, you will not be scared, right? You'll be able to hold your trade till it gets your level of target, and if it doesn't, you know, that's the game. Okay, you either win or you lose. Okay, one of them must happen. So but the real deal there is that you should not be scared to take an entry, and you should not be scared and run out of the market anytime market is not doing what you have planned. Okay, so if you have planned anything, stick to the plan and let price do its thing. Okay, we don't know the next move of the market. The only thing we can do is to predict, okay, draw our setup and then wait for price to do its thing. Okay, that's why risk management is there. Okay, so I just say I should quickly share with you guys this wonderful information or knowledge, so that as you are seeing this, you also know how to apply some of it whenever you are trading on your own. Okay, top-down analysis is one of the best strategy to use in the market. Okay, price action is the key. Okay, so I think that is going to be all, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Okay, so one thing again, as you can see, price is kind of breaking below this structure now. All right, so I can decide to sell, but I'm still looking for some confirmation. Okay, I want price to go down a little bit and give me a sell confirmation before I can go in. Okay, I don't want to go in aggressively anymore because it will not like go in my favor every time. Okay, so it's good to have a good risk management. Okay, so that is all for this one. Before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys about the coming class which I'll be hosting on the 5th of September. It's a free beginners class, so if you're interested, do make sure you check the description of this video. You are going to get a link to my Telegram channel. Okay, join, and when the class starts you will not miss out. Okay, and also I have a boom and crash strategy, a profitable boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this strategy, this powerful strategy, then check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp number, okay? To make sure to contact me so that I can give you the powerful strategy, okay? So I think that is going to be all for this video, okay? I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.